Did you know there is an entity in South America that warns its victims with a whistle before it attacks? They call him Il Subon, or the Whistler. He is a 10-foot-tall giant carrying a bag on his back filled with the bones of his victims. He wanders through houses at night whistling musical notes: do, re, mi, fa, sol. But the rule to survive is the exact opposite of your instinct. If the whistle sounds incredibly loud and piercing, you can relax. It means he is far away. But if the whistle sounds very faint, almost impossible to hear, like it's coming from the horizon, start praying, because that means he is already standing inside your room, right behind you, waiting for you to turn around